In 2025, the landscape for design engineers is more dynamic and interconnected than ever before. To stay ahead, mastering 5 essential software tools is no longer optional, it's a necessity. Leading the pack is AutoCAD, commanding over 41% of the market. Its versatility in both 2D drafting and 3D modeling makes it the backbone for industries ranging from architecture to manufacturing. Recent integrations with cloud platforms like Autodesk Beam Collaborate have transformed AutoCAD into a hub for real-time teamwork, allowing multidisciplinary teams to work together seamlessly from anywhere in the world. SolidWorks stands out as the go-to solution for mechanical design, boasting a 13.83% market share. The 2024 release introduced enhanced user experiences and deeper cloud integration, streamlining the process of 3D modeling, simulation, and product validation. Engineers rely on SolidWorks for creating everything from intricate machinery components to entire assembly lines, ensuring designs are both innovative and manufacturable. Revit, with a 4.99% share, is indispensable for building information modeling, or BIM. It's essential for architects and structural engineers who need collaborative, data-rich environments. Recent developments, such as Revit's integration with QNect, have automated the detection of steel framing issues, saving valuable time and reducing costly errors during construction planning. QGIS has emerged as a leader in geospatial analysis and mapping. Its open-source nature and recent recognition as a grid leader in GIS for 2025 highlight its effectiveness and growing adoption. Engineers turn to QGIS for projects requiring advanced spatial data insights, from urban planning to infrastructure development, leveraging its robust mapping and analysis tools. Finally, EPLAN is the specialist choice for electrical engineering design. Its focus on detailed schematic creation, panel layouts, and project documentation supports the demands of modern electrical systems. As industries seek smarter, more integrated solutions, EPLAN's advanced features and integration capabilities have become pivotal in designing the next generation of electrical infrastructure. Mastering these 5 tools empowers design engineers to tackle complex projects, foster collaboration, and remain at the forefront of a rapidly evolving industry.